Welcome back to another Miracle Ear Minute. I'm Jason White with Miracle Ear of Alabama, and today we're going to take a look at how to change your phone so someone else can use it rather than the sound coming out of your hearing aids. So imagine that you're talking to your children and your spouse wanted to talk to them. If the sound is coming through your hearing aids, your spouse wouldn't be able to hear. This little trick will solve that problem. You can also put it on speakerphone so that anyone else in the room would be able to hear. You can see on my phone screen that I'm currently on a phone call. This little white headset indicates that the sound is coming through your hearing aids. If you tap on that, it will give you three options: iPhone, speaker, and hearing aids. If you wanted to hand the phone over to someone, you would just tap on iPhone, and then they would just pick up the phone like normal. If you wanted to put on speaker so that everyone in the room could hear, just tap on the speaker, and then the phone call will come through the speakerphone. When you're done, just hang up like normal. You don't have to change it back to hearing aids. The next time you answer your phone, it will automatically default back to your hearing aids. Stay tuned for more tricks and tips on the Miracle Ear Minute.